Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper aeroplane. The materials for this, you need a scissor and a paper. So let's get started. So first you fold the paper into half. Then you unfold the paper. Then you take this edge of the corner and put it over here. Same thing with the other edge. Then you take this edge and fold it all the way. Then you take this edge and do it like this. Same thing with the other side. Then go to the back side. Fold the paper over here. Then you fold this like here. Then over here. Then at the end, use the scissor to make it fly very good. Make 2 to 3 lines on each side of the wings. Make it short so one is long and one is medium. And you're done. And thank you to joining my channel. Bye.